Hi, I'm with Automatic Door and Hardware. I have here a C4320-1 Horton rocker switch, auto off hold open for a swing door, which I'm going to open up here. Comes with instructions and a wiring diagram. Comes with the wire nuts to install it.
What positions are on that?
Automatic off and hold open. And it also comes with a wiring diagram. Very easy to install. It's just a matter of removing 2 screws and disconnecting 3 wire nuts and hooking up 3 wire nuts. And this is all low voltage, so you don't have to worry about getting shocked or electrocuted. This and many more parts can be found at autodoorhardware.com.